Hello everyone. So today we will do activity in Scratch 3.0. So let's see our activity first. Okay. So this is our activity sneak the past tank. So for it, first we have to take a puffer fish and a shark. Okay, so let's take that. First go on the sprite and take a puffer fish from there. So let's find a puffer fish. Okay, let's search this. Here is a puffer fish. Place here downside. Now the next thing we have to find is a shark. So let's see a shark. Now let's do the coding. Okay. So our coding, first we have to take one click and go to the X and Y. So we will go here and we will take minus, you can take it as per your choice. I will take minus 172 and minus 82. Now let's see the another thing. We have to take set speed to 0. So for it, you have to make the variable. I have already made. So we will take set my variable to the speed. Okay. Now let's see the another step. Adding puffer fish speed with move steps. So first we will take speed over here. Now the next thing we will go on motion and we will add steps. So we will add speed instead of numbers. Let's see the another thing. Step number 5, we have to add a forever loop block in the move speed step. So here I will go on control and we will take here forever loop block. Let's see the another thing now. So we have to ensure this all. The next thing we have to take when space key pressed. Okay, so when space key pressed, we have to take their right arrow and we have to change the speed by 1. So here we will go on the even block and we will take here when space key press we have to take right arrow and we have to go on the variables. We have to take change speed to 1. Okay, let's see the another step. Now we have to take when down arrow key pressed, set speed to 0. So we will go on the events again. We will take when down arrow, we will select here down arrow key press, we have to take set speed to 0. We will go on variable and we will take set speed to 0. Let's see the another thing. Now our step number 9 is for sharp. Okay, so let's do that. So as you can see, this is our code of pufferfish. Now let's see the another step over here. So now we will go for the shark code. So over here, what we have to do the first is when click, we have to set the rotation style left, right and point in direction minus 90 degree. We will go in events. We will take when clicked. Then we will go on motion. So what we have to take set rotation style to left and right. And we have to take the point in direction to the minus 90 degree. Just rotate and take. Let's see the another thing. So here is the pufferfish codes. Okay, we have taken the pufferfish codes over here. Now let's take the sharko codes. We have taken till here point in direction 90 degree. So now we will take show, wait for 1 second, hide, wait for 1 second and forever look. So let's do this. We will go on the look block. We will take show. Now we will take go on control. Then we will take wait for 1 second. Again we will go on looks. We will take height. Then we will go on control. We will take 1 second and repeat this for forever. So you can see it has been done now. Let's see the another step. Okay, so the coding is completed over here. Now let's see our results. So for seeing our results, now we have to go in our activity page. This is our activity page. So let's see the results. For seeing the result, let's do the full screen over here. Now let's see the results. Click on the green flag and this is your result. The shark will hide and show for the pufferfish. So thank you. See you soon with a new video.